The school hallway sleeps under a blanket of pre-dawn light, shadows stretching like secrets. Soft piano music dances through the air, a gentle prelude to the day's awakening. A lone janitor appears, the only soul stirring in the hushed expanse. The rhythmic slosh of water and squeak of shoes cut through the stillness, marking time. Narration 5-0. Every morning before the world woke up, the hallway waits, silent and expectant, for the chaos of morning to arrive. In the quiet of dawn, a lone janitor enters the empty classroom, a silent guardian. He begins his work, his movements precise and practiced, each task a familiar ritual. With practiced efficiency, he empties trash cans, a symphony of mundane sounds echoing in the stillness. Close up, his hands, a roadmap of labor, replace the trash bags with practiced ease. He was already working, a voice whispers, a testament to his unwavering dedication. The classroom awaits the day, cleansed and prepared by unseen hands. In the dim light of the school bathroom, a lone janitor battles grime with weary determination. The air hangs heavy with the sharp scent of cleaning fluid, a testament to his thankless task. Cleaning floors, emptying trash, scrubbing toilets. A janitor in a small town, nothing glamorous, nothing easy. His tired eyes reflect a deep sense of responsibility, a silent promise to maintain order in a chaotic world. In the dim light of a modest apartment, the clock marks the late hour. A man is hunched over a desk, his focus unwavering despite the late hour. The small desk lamp casts long shadows, highlighting the man's weariness. He flips through the pages of a worn notebook, each turn a silent quest. The dim light reflects in his heavy eyes, a testament to his dedication. In the quiet of the night, the notebook holds his full attention. In the quiet of the night, a lone man's pen dances across the page, each stroke deliberate, each pause filled with thought. The scratching of the pen becomes the only sound, a stark reminder of the man's solitude. He pauses, lost in thought, the pen hovering above the paper as if waiting for inspiration. A moment of reflection, a deep breath, and the pen returns to the page, etching more words into the silence. The scratching resumes, filling the room with the sound of his thoughts taking form. In the stillness of the night, the man's pen remains his only companion, his thoughts pouring onto the page. In the modest apartment, calendar pages flip rapidly, marking the relentless passage of nights. Notebooks stack higher, silent witnesses to the man's unwavering resolve. His face, etched with exhaustion, reflects a spirit that refuses to yield. The calendar continues to turn, each page a testament to his commitment. The pile of notebooks grows, a physical manifestation of his tireless effort. Though weary, the man's eyes still burn with an unquenchable fire. In the janitor's cramped apartment, the laptop screen glows, illuminating the quiet room. The words "Chapter 1" shine from the screen, a testament to the story's beginning. The rhythmic tap-tap-tap of keys breaks the silence as the janitor types. The printer whirs to life, spitting out pages, each one a piece of his year-long endeavor. Stacks of manuscript pages accumulate, growing into a tangible symbol of his dedication. After a year, he had a full draft. A voice echoes, narrating a life unseen. Then one day, someone noticed. The narrative unfolds. A blog shared his story. A podcast featured his journey. The world begins to listen. His book went viral. A silent revolution begins. Bathed in the cold glow of his computer screen, the janitor confronts a digital avalanche. The janitor who once mopped floors became a best-selling author read by millions. A single tear escapes, etching a path through the landscape of his weathered face. He did not wait for perfect conditions. He built his dream 30 minutes at a time. In the humble room, shadows dance with the flickering light, a stark contrast to the digital storm raging on the screen. Success is attainable regardless of one's profession or circumstances. A perfect job is not a prerequisite for achieving success. A flawless background is not essential for success. Consistent daily practices encompass a wide range of activities, reflecting individual routines and habits. Diverse individuals engage in consistent routines, highlighting the universality of daily habits across different lifestyles. Daily routines are characterized by repetition and dedication, fostering skill development and personal growth. Time-lapse montages visually demonstrate the progression of routines over time. The accumulation of effort and skill is visually represented through the time lapse. Success is built daily, not in a single day, as shown through consistent progression. Bathed in the golden hues of success, the author is seated at a table, a beacon of literary triumph in a cozy bookstore. A winding line of eager readers snakes through the bookstore, their anticipation palpable. The bookstore buzzes with excitement, a symphony of hushed whispers and the gentle turning of pages. Each greeting is a moment of connection, a shared acknowledgement of the story's profound impact. The bookstore is a haven where dreams take flight, fueled by the power of words and the warmth of human connection. The book's cover displays the author's name, a monument to literary ambition. The author signs a copy, a gesture of connection with his eager readers. So whatever your dream is, start tonight. The tangible result of consistent effort, a published book, an audience eager to read it. The author smiles, his eyes reflecting the joy of sharing his creation with the world. In the quiet of night, a figure diligently fills the pages of a journal, each word a step towards their untold story. Another soul pours their heart into a musical instrument, each note a testament to dreams waiting to be composed. A coder immersed in lines of code, each keystroke bridging the gap between imagination and reality. In the hush of night, 10 minutes, one sentence, one step. Because one day, someone might read your story and start their own.